Say hi, Emary. You're a little bright-eyed. There you are.
Hi.
You see those pretty eyes looking around all confused. What is going on in this place? I've been here for 6 days now, and this is just really strange. What in the world? Who are these people? I do like eating with them though. Oh no. I got the hiccups again, Mom and Dad. I get them all the time. No. Poor little thing's got the hiccups. Alright, Emary, we won't record you having the hiccups for too long. Whoa! Signing off! Little Captain Salute there. With her polka dot mittens. Alrighty. Goodbye, Emary.